Now guys, we're in Thika town, where we want to explore and see what we have in Thika town. Yeah, this is the city of ananas. If you like ananas, this is the city of ananas. Yeah, we want to see what's happening in Thika and what we have in Thika. If you have beautiful things in Thika. Yeah, so welcome to Thika. You can see that the other side of the road is the marketplace. I can see some are selling ananas. Relax, man. Relax. Yeah, so yeah guys, this is the city of ananas. Yeah, we've taken a stopover for the ananas. So yeah, just go on this side and see if you can see the farm. Let's see if you can see it. Yeah, we are climbing, so this is just a climbing zone. Yeah, I just want to show you this. So this is Thika. So if you can see the farm, so big. The farm is the ananas farm. This is how they grow it. This is how it looks like when it's being grown. Pineapple, in short, pineapple. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. So yeah, we are in the city of pineapple. Yeah, that's how it looks like. So as you can see, there's some, yeah, the whole thing looks like that. Yeah, that is how it looks like. So we are just exploring, still exploring. Hey, whoa, yeah. And then on the other side, that is how it looks like on the other side. The roadside. Yeah, so guys, we're over here. I don't know. Okay, it's written Oldonyo Sabuk National Park. Yeah, it looks so good. The section looks so good. So actually where I'm going is the 14 Falls. I want to go to the 14 Falls. We're trying to go over there. Yeah. Guys, the road is such a bumpy road. Yeah. But such bumpy road leads to great destinations. That's the beauty of life. Bumpy road, great destination. The sun is out and about. Yeah. Some matatus are overtaking us. You know, yeah. We are not in a hurry though. So for us it's Oldonyo Sabuk Resort. I didn't know there's a resort over here like that. So yeah, exploring makes you discover things. So we've discovered that. Yeah, it's up. So you can see how bumpy the road is and very dusty. Okay. Yeah, this is the entrance. Yeah, 14 Falls. Adventure. Oopsie. Oh no. Yeah, so this is it. So that's where we are going. Yeah. So that's how we go. Oh, I can there is a mama coming from firewood fetching. So basically this is typically rural area. Someone doing their business over there. Yeah. So bro, yo. Yeah, so guys, this is the 14 Falls. You can see like it's an extension of Nairobi River and Athi River. Right now the water is super dirty. I think because of the pollution from Nairobi, especially Nairobi River. So let's just walk around and see on the other side how it looks like. On the other side. So this is how it looks like. Gosh, I feel like it's not bad, but the water is really dirty. It's such a beautiful environment for picnics, and everything. But now the water itself is super duper dirty. Yeah, let's just walk around there. Let's walk around it and see. Like these are the wonders of the world. You can see the wonders of the world. Yeah. So that's how it basically how it looks like, the whole thing. So I'll see. Let's see. On the falls, yeah. Let's just go on the falls and see. That's how it is. Yeah. So the lighting, I feel like the lighting is, guys, honestly it's smelling so bad. The falls is on this side. The water can come, just look at it. Like that. That's how it looks like. See the falls. Oh, there's some people over there. Down there. Unaona watu pale chini? Pale. I'm so afraid. I can't. No. Guys, someone is just telling me to cross and go on the other side. There are some jokes that I don't take. Like, yeah, this is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. You can see. You can see how it's going. The water, I can see some people on the other side, the downside, but I think there's a crossing way. Wow, it looks so good. So good, man. You can see the water splashing on me. Shit! Yeah. So guys, this is the shit. This is the 14 Falls, but the water, like, honestly, the water has been polluted really bad, because it's an extension of Nairobi River. You can go this side and see. This side. And then this side, and you get to see. Such places are cool for, yeah. Such places are cool for, they are very cool for this. Yeah, so actually on this side you can see how it looks like, the whole thing. So I don't know why is it called 14 Falls, but maybe, I don't know. I don't know why. So let's just. Sorry? Mambo lakini kwani niko bien nikija tu kuangalia huku hivi. Sawa. Unapiga digital? Usijali, nikitaka napiga tu. Haya. Asante lakini. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks like, the whole thing. I can see some pipes over here. I do not know how it is. Yeah, so on the other side. Yeah, you can help me take the. Now you can be my cameraman. Let's see where, like, which side. Yeah, like this side. Come this side. So you can. Yeah. This is how it looks like. So, Polluted Falls. Yeah. I don't know why it's called Polluted Falls. Polluted Falls. Yeah. Because the main falls. Because the main position. Wait first, are you a tour guide? Yeah, I'm the guide. You are guide? Yeah. So after this, do you expect maybe I pay or?
That's a tip, yeah?
A tip?
Yeah.
A tip of how much?
Just it depends.
Because now you know I don't want to maybe you guide and then you expected a fee.
No, just
then,
you promote, yeah? Just
a promotion of how much, because I want to do justice. If you are guiding, you do justice.
How much you can promote the guide?
No, you tell me. Me, I can't. I can't.
You are the one who
I can't budget for you.
Pocket.
My pocket is very empty. First of all, what's your name?
I'm Joseph.
Joseph, you're a tour guide in Polluted Falls?
Yes, I'm the guide for Polluted Falls.
Okay. Yeah. So why is it called Polluted Falls?
Polluted Falls, because the main waterfall. When you go down there, you can see all the waterfalls.
Are they 14?
Yeah, they are 14. Can you come this way?
And what about these pipes?
The pipe, they took the water for irrigation.
Irrigation?
Yeah, there's some people, they do farming.
Farming?
Yeah.
So they use this water?
Yeah.
Because it's a dirty water from like, it's been...
The river is called River. This is River.
This is River, yeah.
River.
It's an extension of Nairobi River, right?
Yeah.
So this is what they're talking about with the irrigation. So I get it, what you're saying. Down there, I'm afraid of water. I'm afraid of waters. I can step on this one. Which one?
Which one?
Okay, hold my hand, please. Thank you so much. Okay, we do it for the people, man. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, you can see, guys. This. Yeah, it's okay. Songa people. So guys, if you can see, this is how it looks like. Like really, yeah. This is the whole thing, how it looks like. On top of the world. Yeah. We are on top of the world. You can see there are some people using boats.
Yeah.
Those are boats?
Yeah, those are boat crossing.
Okay. Down there are people doing the boat crossing. You can see like that. This is the whole thing. And the sun is setting. There on this side again. We have some caves. You can go up to that section. You can see. Yeah, so this is found in Thika. The 14 Falls in Thika. Yeah. So guys, we are still daring. So behind me, yeah. So let me introduce myself again. This is Celine, an adventure girl can call me Dora the Explorer. So behind me you can see some waterfalls. Yeah, really nice. Really nice. These ones you only find it in my channel. So make sure you subscribe. Comment down below what you think about the place. And yeah, thank you so much guys for being part of the gang. Yeah, so I can show you the other part. This part. Yeah. So we're going down to see what's happening on the other side. Let's go and see what's happening on the other side. Yeah. We're just exploring. So we've been told that these pipes are for the irrigations. So maybe some people who have grown something on their farm, they use it. Yeah. Yeah. So we are going down. Boom, boom. We are there. Yeah. So again, it's a great place for picnic, because I can see some people have set their picnic site. And it's yeah, so I just took the guide because I felt like maybe sometimes again it's good to support the locals. When you go somewhere, you just support the locals that are there. So yeah, so it's just good. So this is the guy. Yeah, so for the love of our locals, because maybe this is something that they do daily. So yeah, if you have something small again, you tip them. Yeah, so we'll try and do yeah. So we've been told that this is the Athi River, but it's an extension of Nairobi River. Extension of Nairobi River. Tunaenda wapi? Wako place ya boat, lakini boat nayo sichukui boat. Boat riding. But naona tu, si ndio? Yeah. Kata. So guys, let's just see for the boat riding. This is the boat that they're using. Is it not dangerous?
Not dangerous.
And then what's this line? This rope? Yeah.
For crossing.
Crossing? Like if you're just crossing without the boat?
Yeah,
or
no, yeah, with boat. You touch the rope and you drag the boat.
Now I get it. So for these boat rides, they charge how much?
Boat riding is 200. Boat across is 400. Going 400 back.
I get it. So this is how it looks like. You can see some. What are those ones? I think they're medicinal, fruits. But I don't know. Those are not fruits.
Well, they are fruits, but certainly which kind of fruits?
Medicinal fruits. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's just all that you find here in 14 Falls. Basically, yeah. So
here bado kuna swimming pool other side.
Swimming pool in this water?
No, you have a fresh water.
Fresh water on the other side, but it's the swimming pool, right?
So where the people they do some entertainment, they dive from top.
They divers.
Yeah, we have divers.
Damn. Damn. Okay, I get it now. So guys, we're being told, because I can see some kids over on that section, they're just swimming inside the water, but I feel like the water is really polluted. It's really dirty. And we are being told that they're fishing. And I'm wondering which type of fish?
What's the heritage? Eel, tilapia.
Even tilapia in this water?
Yeah, equal.
How do they survive? Hey.
Equal.
Yeah. So on this one, guys, on this one, Nairobi River, we are doing bad. Yeah, because the water is really polluted. And I can see the kids, they're just swimming on it. Just like that. Okay, well, I do not know how dangerous it is, but it's so
Smelling.
it's smelling so bad. Yeah, it's not even, it's really bad. I don't know what we can do as the people. And then I feel like it's really risky for this boat ride. Yeah, I would have taken boat ride, but no, I'm not. No, it's not next time. So guys, the smell is not that pleasant. It's really, it's such a killing smell. But it's good to know. At least next time. Now we know. Oopsies, I almost slide it. Oh. Yeah. So So this is how it is. But I don't like the smell. Yeah, I do not like it. So that's how it looks like, the whole thing. So guys, I'm somewhere and I want to eat some nyama choma. Kanyama choma. Ya ng'ombe hakuna? Ya mbuzi tu. Sasa unajua sasa shida ni mimi sikuli mbuzi. Mimi mbuzi, twende tuangalie, lakini sasa mama yangu alinikataza nisikule mbuzi.
Hapana, ni soft kabisa.
Guys, I'm telling them. My mom told me not to eat mbuzi. That's goat. Yeah. Goat meat. So I'm asking them if they have cow meat. Yeah. So let's go and see. We can try something. Yeah. Sorry? Oh, this is so the road that we've been using here, Garissa Road. So guys, I'm being told this was the highway that we've been using is Garissa Road. So yeah, just want to eat something. Let's go and see nyama choma. Yeah. So we are going to see if we can eat ugali. Sasa kopoa ni nyama ya nini? Mbuzi. Yeah. Mama yangu aliniambia nisikule mbuzi.
Kwa nini?
Sifai kula mbuzi.
Mbona usikule mbuzi? Mbuzi ndio inakuwa nyama. For real
sasa sijui na reactingi na mimi. Oyoni ya kwanja. So this is a tester. So sijui kama ita react na mimi, unajua ndarudi tu hapa.
Hii imeangaliwa na kipimo ile nzuri.
Nataka hiyo So
yes.
No, iko fit.
Nishikie simu yangu.
Iko sawa.
Unishikie simu yangu Asha, it's hot. Oh my. So hot. Yeah. So guys, this one we are going to try mbuzi choma. Actually is mbuzi choma. So let's.
So at the 5.
Yeah, 5.
Unachukua hiyo hapa.
That is good, but I don't know if it will react with me.
Na ugali.
Na ugali.
Unakaa wapi?
Hapa ndani.
Sawa.
Huko ndani. So we're going to eat this one. Unatukatia gani?
Hapa ndio kwa zimepimwa na hii ndio hapa.
Hiyo sasa mbona upatie tuonje hii alafu nikatie ile.
Yeah, it's soft, very soft.
Mimi nataka kwingine.
It's very soft.
Hii ni gapi?
In two.
Na hii nini? Hebu songesha hii. Ni gani unatukatia? Acha tuone nini unatukatia.
Oh,
hii ni gani? Hii ni
kg.
Hii ni kg.
Hizi kg ni 1.5.
1.5. Nusu yenye ulikuwa unasema unatukatia ni gani?
Nusu ndio hii.
Hebu leta hiyo nione. Unatukatia nyama mzuri, nyama tamu hivyo alafu
zote ni tamu.
Mimi sijapenda hii. Sijapenda hii kusema tu kweli. Hiyo ifurahishi sura. Furahishi. Guys, I'm just trying to. You wanted to cut the other one, but we wanted at least a good one.
Jambo. Kwa. Iko fiti. Nakati hapo.
Let me see. So this is tatu tu. Mimi niko tu sawa hapa, nataka tu kuona nyama yangu. That one.
Sasa accompaniment
alisema ni ilikuwa ni ugali. Accompaniment.
Oka.
Chakula sembe. Kuna kachumbari.
Kachumbari iko.
Na kachumbari. Na nini ingine? Kuna kitu ingine tena? Green. Mimi si ng'ombe nikule mboga. Wacha sasa greens. Hii ni kule greens alafu ni kule from the nutrients. Relax, mimi niko tu sawa hapa hivi. Nataka tu kuona mi like sasa nafurahia ikiwa hivi. Hivi. Na sembe na kachumbari. Kachumbari yekwe pilipili. Ula pilipili. Mimi nakula pilipili. Pilipili kando. Pilipili kando. Hii ndio yetu. Nilikuwa nasema nakiongeza kakuota hapo juu. Hii ilikuwa nyama yangu. Akiongeza hapo juu. Acha amalize. Sawa. Lakini ziko shua. Unajua sifai kula nyama ya nini? Ya nini? Hii ni ya kutoka suso.
Wanataka kuikulia hapa tu hivi.
Nataka tu nini? Aongeze mambo. Aongeze kuota hapa juu.
Utamaliza.
Unataka kula?
Sawa, acha aongeze.
Tuongeze kuota juu ya hivi.
Hakuna kuota ni nusu.
Sasa ni 3/4. So huwezi iongeze ikuwe 3/4 hapo juu. Hakuna 3/4 in short. Unajua hii pesa yangu mimi sasa mimi niko juu. So huwezi kato ikuwe 3/4.
Kidogo tu acha hata.